What are calories? How does cheese in compare to cheese out? Why do some rats bulk up while others stay shred? Today, ToughRat break it down. Cheese surplus, cheese deficit, cheese maintenance, and at the end, some tips for rats who want to lose weight and gain some six pack. So, what are calories? Calories are units of cheese energy. They fuel the rat's body. Every bite is cheese. Every move burns cheese. The whole game comes down to this: cheese in versus cheese out. The three cheese states. There are three ways rat's body handles cheese. First, cheese surplus. More cheese in than cheese out. Rat eats more than rat burns, so rat's body stores the excess. That's fat gain. But if you are lifting, you gain some muscle too. It's growth, but not always the kind you want. Second, cheese deficit. Less cheese in than cheese out. Now the body taps into fat reserves. This is how rats could gain visible abs. Rat burns store cheese because rat burn more than rat eat. This results in weight loss, especially fat loss. But you will also lose some muscle unless you eat enough protein. So don't skip the protein cheese. Third, cheese maintenance. Cheese in equals cheese out. Rat size stays stable, but if you are a beginner, you can still build muscle and burn fat even while holding the same cheese weight. Why rats get stuck? The plateau. Sometimes, even in a cheese deficit, rat stops losing cheese weight. That's a plateau. This happens due to two main reasons, and it's very common. Reason 1, as rats lose weight, the body needs less cheese to survive. Your maintenance level drops, so to keep losing, you have to lower cheese intake again. Reason 2, rat need drops. NEAT stands for non-exercise activity in thermogenesis. Think of the daily activities that burn cheese but don't count like exercise for rats, like fidgeting, walking, wash dishes. When you are in a deficit, your body saves energy. You stop moving without noticing. That's hidden cheese being saved, and weight loss stalls. Common cheese mistakes. Here are the most common mistakes rats make. Mistake 1. Cutting cheese too hard, too fast. A massive deficit gives rat no room to adjust later. Aim to lose no more than 1% of body weight per week. Mistake 2. Not tracking. If rats don't track cheese, rats always guessing. And guessing rats don't win. Even veteran rats track their cheese, especially when cutting. ToughRat's essential cheese management tips. For rats who want to lose weight and gain that abs, here are 5 tips you need to know. Tip number 1. Prioritize protein. It preserves rat muscle and keeps rat full. Tip number 2. Eat high volume, low calories foods like greens, fiber stuff. They will fill the rat stomach without burning the cheese budget. Tip number 3. Avoid liquid calories. Sugary drinks are pure cheese, but they won't fill you up. Rat gets hungry fast, then overeats. Tip number 4. Weigh yourself daily. Then average your weekly weight. One day means nothing because rat's weight usually fluctuates. Trends matter. Tip number 5. Be patient. Managing cheese takes time. Small adjustments, big results, consistency over perfection. Now you know the cheese equation. Calories in, calories out. Cheese in, cheese out. Eat smart, track sharp, train hard. And remember, the rat who manages cheese wins the maze. If any rats got questions, drop them in the comments. And if rat learned something, like the video and subscribe to ToughRat. Good luck.